Hi smart marketers, welcome back my NSTech YouTube channel. In this video I am going to share how to rank your gig one day on the top page. Please see the video and A to Z. How do I rank a Fiverr gig in one day? Ranking a Fiverr gig in one day is challenging but possible with these tips. Number 1. Optimize your gig. Use relevant keyword in the title, description and tags. Number 2. Eye-catching thumbnail. Create a professional attractive thumbnail to grab attention. Competitive price. Set competitive price and offer value. Promote on social media. Share your gig on platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn or Facebook. Early engagement. Ask friends or loyal clients to place initial orders and leave positive review. Stay online. Remain active on Fiverr to increase visibility. Consistent effort yields better result over time.